biodegradable, eco-friendly as always. So ito po yung mga iba-ibang pagkain. Ayan. So we have the achara. This is the bread. This is an example of the EcoWare, the value meals. So this is bambutido. It's chicken embutido, like chicken galantina. And then we have veggie meat and also bamboo shoots. So on top, you will see spaghetti, but it is no meat spaghetti. So we use vegetable sausage, bamboo shoots, and also veggie meat for this one. Ito po yung isa sa mga nanalo sa Shanghai, which is the different shape candies of bamboo. On the right, you will see a heart-shaped bamboo carrot cake for Valentine's Day. And this is the Pusitos. Okay. For packaging, we also help the community. So communities din po yung gumagawa ng packaging niya. So ito po, iba-ibang design for corporate gifts. Forward. Yeah, forward pa rin. Ayan, for corporate gifts also. And then for individuals, pwede pong ganito. So you can choose the material, either pure bamboo or combine it with indigenous materials, like this one. So the corporate gifts range from 160 pesos to 1,000 or 2,000 pesos. On top, you will see the different designs of our bamboo bags. And then we have the fans, the calendars, the candles, and the textile, which will be used in the fashion show later. Ayan. And then when we do catering, ganito po yung setup ng catering. This was in Design Center nearby when Vinya was featured for her 25 years as a professional designer. So ito pong bamboo clock na nakikita ninyo was also designed by Vinya and the director's chair. The folding chair, which also won abroad in a competition. Next. And then we also conduct advocacy orientation for schools. So ito po yon sa UP, sa Ateneo, sa AIM, and also in Saints Co and other schools who invite us for their Environment Week presentations. Just for quick flash. Ayan, forward pa rin. Also, this is Senator Bam Aquino. This was the launching of the Social Enterprise Club, now called the Social Enterprise Alliance for Change in Ateneo. And then, this is an important seminar. Judging and I went to Marawi at the height of the investment scam in Marawi last February because we conducted for 400 participants in Mindanao State University bamboo training for food and for non-food. So you could see that there are sultans, members from Bangsamoro, MILF, sitting side by side and training together with the wives of the soldiers, with the academe, and with the students. So it is very rare to see this type of activity, especially in Marawi. Because alam po natin na yung situation doon, kumbaga, hindi pa siya. But what we do here is, we go there, we are non-partisan, wala po kaming political party or political interest whatsoever. We go there because we have a program called Sustainable Food for Sustainable Peace, which we are continuing together with Speed Philippines and also the United Nations World Food Program. So that's why we go. And it is very meaningful for us. We also partner with Asia America Initiative to provide school supplies for children in war-torn areas, in armed conflict areas, together with educational and values formation, and also for those who were traumatized. So sabay-sabay po namin ginagawa ito as part of the advocacy. Okay, next. Okay, so this is Philippine-made bamboo products. You'll see them later. Forward. Ayan. So on the top, you will see Christmas gifts. This is Father Manoling Francisco's Tanging Yaman. For those who know the song, Father Manoling has a Tanging Yaman Foundation. They send about 164 indigent children for school. So tinutulungan po namin sila when they sell our products. This is the School Children in Lanao program by Asia Initiative. And then we also have in our own parish in UP Village, Quezon City, a program called Kaakbuhay, where there are people who have skills, but some of them do not have regular work. So we promote them and we promote their skills. That's why our bread is done by the urban poor community in our parish, the bamboo bread. And then this is the social enterprise conferences that we attend. So Phil Bamboo steadfastly promotes livelihood programs, educational and environmental endeavors, and peace initiatives in our conflict areas. Okay. Siyempre, during calamities, we also do benefit concerts because we are also artists, professional artists. So singers, musicians, dancers, we group together, and then whatever is earned from the concert or the special event, we give 100% back. We waive all talent fees. So that's also part of our advocacy. And we encourage professional artists. For example, in October 26, which is next Saturday, we're helping Gawad Kalinga. So we will be performing together with River Maya, Climax, Rosel Nava, and other popular artists in Parañaque. You can email us if you'd want to watch that. The ticket is only 150 pesos, but it already includes food and drink. It's going to be held in Santana Grove, which is a mall along Sukat Road, Parañaque. And the artists are performing gratis also for the love of. Okay, forward na to. Forward. And we conduct bamboo training like this. So this is Melu. She is showing us how to properly apply the bamboo mineral makeup. Ito po yung nabanggit ko na mahabang pole where you actually cook the food. So along pole, you can cook 5 viands, 5 ulam, sa kakanin. So 4 pole na ganyan, we were able to cook together and feed 50 people. Ayan, forward. Okay, and then we have the TV guestings, forward. Forward na to. And radio. Okay, and then we have the bamboo ice cream and then the different, these are our training programs or exposure trips in different countries. So kaya po naka-costume ako ng Jangyum kasi nagluto po kami. So ako pa rin po yun, hindi po siya Koreana. Okay, next. And this is our training in China. Forward. Yes. This is a bamboo jeep. I was the one driving it. This is the the plant, the bamboo plant that I was mentioning earlier na mukha akong duwende. So, hindi po yan kahoy, kawayan po yan talaga, yung nasa taas. Ako po yung nakasuot ng itim sa baba. And this is a theater, a full bamboo theater including the sound system. So, imagine if you have like a cultural center with this. No? So, everything's bamboo. This is the mountain with 10,000 bamboos. And of course, you have the bamboo lumber, and this is the processing center. On the leftmost photo up, you have a bamboo shoot building. That's a training program, venue for handicrafts. Okay, forward. And then, ito po yung mga nakakatugtugan naming musikero. So sa Indonesia to, forward. Ayan. Ito po yung some of the instruments that we brought. Maybe you can see them later. Okay. Then we also have a training program with the ISEA, which is Institute for Social Entrepreneurship in Asia. Ayan. And then in Dipolog, there was an international bamboo music festival. 250 musicians from 10 countries performed together for free. So ito po yung mga ibang tinugtog namin na instrumento. This is like a bamboo violin. Forward. Yan. I will be playing with some of them again when I go back to Indonesia this November. Forward. Ayan. So makikita po natin kasama yung ating mga katutubong musician side by side playing with Asian musicians as well. So we have the Ifugao Performing Group, the Bamboo Marimba of Dipolog Group, Maguindanao, Kulintang, Kakchi of Vietnam, the Pramsamit from Thailand, the Modero Palo of Indonesia, Noryo Machi of Korea, and Taiwan Bamboo Orchestra. Okay. Ayan. And then Brian will give you a sample. Ito po si Brian. He'll give you a sample later of how this bamboo guitar sounds. Okay. This is an electric guitar made by Agustin Lagon from Iloilo. It is comparable to the Lisea guitars of the US. And it is heavy. It sounds like a Fender Strat. So later, tututugin to ni Brian for us. Okay. Next. So this is a concert in Earth Day, Green Guitar, where we performed. I was the one playing here. We performed together with Noel Cabangon. On top is Coach Mel Orosa. Makakatutugan po niya sina John Lesaca, etc. Okay, sige, pabilis na lang. Flash natin to. So you have the saxophone, the marimba is here. Ayan, this is a sando. It's like a harp. And then you have your gourd flute. And then you have the different xylophones and the drums. Ayan. And then the guitar, you see it here already. That's a violin. Ayan. And we have the world famous Pangkat Kawayan. Ayan. They celebrated the 47th anniversary. In Las Piñas, we have the bamboo organ with 1,000 pipes. National treasure siya. And then, this is the National Organic Congress, also held in World Trade Center, where Miss Tina of Pamora Farm was part of the organizing committee. Also here in the Bamboo Congress, we had it in World Trade Center October last year. Forward. Yeah. And then IFEX recently. So ito po yung mga bamboo advocates natin. This was our booth in IFEX. Forward. Yeah. Okay. Now, you can go to the high-tech. So, meron po tayong mga high-tech products dito. Pareho nito, bamboo mouse. Mamaya pwede kayo lumapit para makita nyo. We have the desktop keyboard sa calculator. Kasi ayan, yan siya. Naka-picture, may USB, at saka may screen. So, hindi ko naman po kasi lahat mabibit-bit dito sa stage. So, if you want to see them, you can just communicate with us. Okay, next. Then you have the computers, okay. Yun, meron po tayong mga iPhone speakers from Cebu and also from Abra. Okay, so pwede nyo ilagay yung cellphone doon, tapos tutunog na siya. Ito yung cellphone holder. Forward. Okay, yeah. Okay, stop. This is an important invention. Why? This was made by a Dutch inventor. So very sleek cellphone, di ba? Parang ordinaryong cellphone siya. But this is made from black bamboo. And the nice thing is, when the cell phone electrical parts run out, there are seeds, bamboo seeds inside. Pwede nyo siyang itanim, tutubo siya uli. Okay, so kakaibang cellphone, renewable cellphone. Oh, maganda itsura. Okay, next. And then, kina-carve na po ngayon, pati yung mga cases ng cellphone. Okay, next. Ayan, ito yung Spyphone speaker. Meron ding nakatayong version yan. Yung sa Abra nakatayo. Tapos may carving siya. So decorative item pa at the same time. And then we have the bikes. So this is the bamboo bike and sidecar made by Brian Maclilan sa Tarlac with GK Victoria. Okay, next. And then we have the bamboo jeep and we also have the bamboo cars. So dinisplay po sa Leyte to, saka sa Abra. And then in Japan, they have a bamboo electric car. In Kenya, they have a bamboo ambulance. I just saw one. I wasn't able to include the picture. There is already an 82 feet schooner, barko, na kawayan din. Next time, papadala ko yun. Okay, so ito po yung mga sample ng panels naman. Okay, next. Forward mo na. Forward. Ayan. So ito po nung sinaunang panahon, pati yung mga scabbard. Ayan, so yung mga mahilig magmotor, pwede na kayong gumamit ng helmet. Kasi 'di ba? Ayan, may helmet na siya. And this has been proven to be as strong as your regular helmet. Oh, I don't want to be morbid. Ano 'yan? Okay? Sabi natin kailangan eco-friendly, 'di ba? So pati yung casket kawayan na rin. So the bamboo chairs, the fairy tale sofa. Forward. Ayan, surfboards, shades. Next. Okay. Forward mo pa to. Ito po yung ginagamit natin sa ating mga pang-araw-araw na, ayan, cleaning products, shakers, etc. Forward. Tissue holder. Oh, we have a tissue holder, by the way. This is a bridge and a bamboo mill. The small version of this water wheel won the first prize in the most innovative product of the recent National Handicrafts Fair. It was designed by Vinya. So yun pong, water wheel, meron na po siyang nakasabit na mga picture frame. So, reusable na. Ayan. So, you see how beautiful the bamboo structures are. Yes. Just continue. Yes. Refresh it. Ayan. So, these are the homes, the paper products. Ayan. So, meron na rin pong bahay ang mga dal ng mga bata. Okay. Next. Okay. Forward. Yes. Okay. Next slide. Ayan. So, this is the the 5-story house in Indonesia where we visited, it's in Bali. It's called the Spring House. This is the entrance. So this is the International Builders team. Forward. Ayan. So ganito po yung actual, no? So you can imagine that they have revolving doors and then they carve the slots. This is their lounge and this is the bar area if you have parties and functions. Forward. There. Ito pong ka-owl, yung mata niya, yun po yung switch ng ilaw. Yes. So wala kayong mahahanap na switch ng ilaw sa dingding. Wala siya sa dingding. Nakatayo lang po yan from the ground. And this is, guess what this is? Okay, any guess? Raise your hand lang. Oh, Miss Lisel. Balik mo, balik mo. Balik mo. Ayun, ano yun? CR. Okay, this is the CR. Ayan, forward. Ano yung loob niyan? Forward mo. Ayan po ang loob. Okay ba? Yan ang talagang eco-friendly at renewable. Oh, next. Forward. So, even the appliances, kulang na lang magkaroon na ng bamboo refrigerator no? Forward tayo. Ayan, yung swing. So you see, these are beautiful shapes, organic shapes, pero engineered products na sila. This is for the children. Ito po yung TV. And that's the aircon. Okay? And this is the lounge. Forward. And the staircase. This is black bamboo. Next. Ayan. Next. The swimming pool. This is a swimming pool. Black bamboo also. Moon chairs. Yan. The shelves in the library. Okay, same. Ayan. Ito po yung eco bed na tinatawag. So it's a bamboo bed, but when you close it, with the curtains, you can turn on the aircon. So, contained lang yung aircon inside your bed if you don't want it to spread inside the room. So, energy saving siya. Okay, next. Forward. Forward. And this is an ATM booth. ATM, bamboo booth. Powered by solar panels upstairs. Okay. This is the Green School. It won the Greenest School on Earth Award last year. Okay. Yan. So ganito po yung mga eskwelahan doon sa Bali. Ayan. This is the bridge. One of the Indonesian architects also made a similar looking bridge in Matina, Davao. So meron tayong ganitong klaseng bridge sa Davao. Next. Forward. Okay. This is the design workshop that we conducted. So ayan po yung mga samples. Forward. Forward na. Ayan, and this is the 3 bamboo towers. Makikita nyo, naglalagari ako dyan. Forward. Ayan. So, kasama po kaming gumawa ng mga tore na yon. Kasama rin kaming umaakit sa taas. Ayan, forward pa rin. So, when we rest, this is where we go. It's like a meditation spa. So parang sa Pilipinas din, pami-pamilya po yung mga gumagawa ng mga produkto. Ayan, forward. Forward na. Ayan. So ito, ayan, nakasakay ako sa camel. So marami po silang camel dun sa Bali. So this is along the beach, Nusa Dua. Sa Nusa Dua kinonduct yung Miss World pageant na nanalo si Megan Yang. So ito yung lugar na yon. Ayan po yung angklung. So mamaya meron tayong special number dyan. Forward. Okay, forward rin. This is a bamboo community on top of the mountain. In 1997, wala pong nakapag-aral sa kanila. So that was very recent. 1997 was like 16 years ago. 16 years later, lahat po sila ang nakagraduate na ng high school. Yung iba nakapagtapos ng college dahil sa kawayan. Forward. Yes, okay, forward na to. Ayun, binisita ko yung elephant sanctuary nila doon, saka yung sa monkeys. Marami po silang monkeys doon. Ito, nilaruan namin, kinarve ko po yan, laruan para sa mga bata. Okay? May hanger din dito nahanap ko. Ito yon. Ito yung hanger na yan, ito yon. Okay, ito yung hanger na ginawa namin. Okay, forward siya. Okay, next, ayan, nagagawa kami ng silya. Okay, next. Forward. Ito po ay mga bahay, forward mo na lang, diretso. Mag-stop ka sa elepante. Bakit may elepante? Kasi po sa Thailand, ang elepante yung pinakakilalang animal nila. Dito sa atin, yung Philippine eagle at saka ang tarsier. Tama? So sa Thailand, forward mo to. Pakita natin. Ayan. Okay? Ang bubong po ito ng isang bahay sa Thailand ay korting elepante. At ito po ay kawayan. So, ang ginagawa po, kinakat nyo siya parang tiles, pero hindi tayo gagamit ng pako na metal. Ang ginagamit po naming pako dito ay kawayan din, para hindi kinakalawang. Kasi tinitreat siya ng natural treatment para hindi siya bukbukin so that it will not be destroyed by insects or termites. So, you can shape it in whatever form you like. Next. Forward. Okay, forward pa rin. Okay, ito naman paro-paro. So ito po, these houses are actually made with mud, putik. So we combine mud, bamboo, clay. So when it rains, we do not stop working. We collect the mud, tinutuyo po yan, forward. Ayan, yung loob ng bahay. Okay, sige. Ayan, so this is the school also. Forward na. Yeah, there. Okay, so they have a swimming pool there. Ayan. So, ganun po, itsura. Balik natin. Ayan, ganyan po yung itsura ng mga bricks. So, these are all mud bricks. So, in effect, they are free because you can find them anywhere. So, may process po by which we mix it and then eventually, we place it like that. So, mura siya, no? Yung mga bahay na ganito, they just cost raw materials like 30,000-20,000 pesos. Raw materials, you can, and then kung magtutulong-tulong gawin, you can build a house in like 4 or 5 days. And it's very, very strong. Ano yan? Calamity-proof houses. Okay, next. Ayan. So, earthquake-proof house. This is the one in India. You can move to the next one. Okay, also in Indonesia. Pakita natin yung next ha. Ayan. So, po sa Vietnam. So, mukha po siyang karton na nafo-fold, no? But what makes this a calamity-proof house is when you use all these materials, so meron siyang drum and then may kawayan, nagfo-float po siya pag bumabaha. Pero may anchors on the side kaya hindi siya natatanggal or hindi siya natatangay. So, when the water subsides, bababa na rin siya. At saka yung roof, napapansin nyo, pwedeng isara at pwedeng buksan. Okay. A lot of the strong bamboo that we use can last for 20 to 30 years. But if you use the toughest bamboos, like moso, it can even last 50 years. Ganun po katibay itong mga bahay na to at the least cost. So you can build a bamboo house with 20,000-30,000 pesos all the way to 2 million. Depende kung gaano kalaki. This was a design against elements competition in 2010 ni Ilyac Diaz ng San Miguel Properties and also the towns of Taguig and Quezon City. So this is the award-winning bamboo community which was made by Indian architects. I think hopefully they said it will rise as a demo community in Quezon City. So, ganito po yung itsura ng mga bahay doon. Okay, next. Yan, forward mo lang. Okay, there. Yeah, there's, yeah. And here is designed by students naman, si Nicola Enchev and Stefan Bangkob. They also won the prize in the Design Against Elements competition. And then, ganito naman po yung community na ginawa nila. Okay? So, we have about 5 minutes. The models are preparing. So, while the models are preparing, I'd like to call Mr. Brian Cansado on stage. Brian? Okay, I'd like to call Mr. Brian Cansado on stage para po may musical intermission tayo. Tapos, i-request ko po, after the number ni Brian, I'd like to ask 16, sweet 16, volunteers to go on stage. Wag ko kayong matakot, hindi po tayo kakain ng ano dito, ng apoy. Okay? Just dito po muna tayo sa baba. Judging? Yeah? Oo. Pumila na, kahit pa, ikaw na mag-assist. Okay, 16. Okay, 16. Right after po niya, habang tumutugtog po si Brian, may i-distribute po sa inyo si Judging. Hawakan nyo lang po siya, tapos magbibigay po tayo ng instructions. Ayan, nandito na ang mga brave souls. Ano kaya ang gagawin nila? Oo. Okay? Mama, mamaya, okay lang. Ihanda mo yung lerong-lerong sinta. Pero wag mo muna ipakita sa ano. Ay, yeah, wait. Okay? Gagawin natin to ng mabilis, no? So pagkatapos ng tugtog ni Brian, may Miss Universe at Miss World kayo. Tama ba? Okay. Pwedeng ayusin natin by height. By height. By height. Oo, by height. Yun pong matangkad dito sa kaliwa. Okay? Yung pinakamatangkad. Tapos yung pinaka-cute dito sa kanan. Okay? So pag ganon pag ganon. From the tallest to the cutest daw. Oh. From the tallest, ayan, to the cutest. Yung medyo petit. Mag-semicircle po tayo konti. Okay. Nagtataka kayo, siguro ano yung binibigay namin sa kanila. Kasi po, bigla silang magko-concert dito. Okay? At ang tutugtugin nila ay alam nating lahat. So, hindi pa po nila alam sa ngayon kung ano yon. Okay? Pagkatapos ng tutug ni Brian, saka pa lang nila malalaman kung ano ang tutugtugin nila. At the same time, pag natutunan na nila, lahat po tayo pwedeng kumanta kasabay nila. Okay ba yun? Okay yun. Oh. So may mga judges po dito. Ayan. Bibigyan natin ng special prize. Yung pinakaganado, kung gusto nyong gawa ng choreography, okay lang, walang problema. Champi, pakuha nung aking magbi-beatbox tayo dito mamaya. Pag nakuha nyo na yung music nyo. Okay? Okay. So habang nag-aayos na judging dyan, ready ka na? Okay? Jam session to habang nag-aayos lang yung models kasi in 5 minutes we'll start the fashion show. Kayo po, kung gusto nyo pong sumama, okay lang po. Okay. I'd like to introduce Mr. Brian Calzado. Okay. Brian is with us in Phil Bamboo and also Human Nature. So, napakalayo po. Musikero po siya, professional, nagtuturo siya ng gitara. Pero at the same time, IT consultant din po siya sa computer. So, ni-request ko siya, sabi ko, pwede ka ba tumugtog? Kasi ang mga nakakasama po ni Brian sa conspiracy, yun nga, sina Noel Cabangon. So, Brian, anong tutugtugin mo muna sa kanila?
Grow Old With You by Adam Sandler.
Okay, yung mga ikakasal dyan. Kasi sa kabila, nakita namin may bridal fair. Okay, yeah. So, Brian will play Grow Old With You. I miss you, I'll kiss you. Yun yung kantang yun.